Hello friends, today I'm gonna share how to make a subscribe button in Figma using Figma prototype. At first I take a frame and rename the frame in Figma. Then I just size the frame like 2400 equal to 1400. Take another frame inside the main frame and the frame size 974 148 and align this middle. Now add the fill color like a white and add corner radius, then corner smoothing. I hope this is perfect. So we just add a drop shadow in this frame like y position 64 and the blur position on 24. Okay, cool, this is amazing. So now we just add our logo in this frame. Okay, so this is our logo and the position on the logo. Then we just put our text like NexUX Lab. So this is a duplicate and rewrite our URL. The font size is a little bit small and the font style is regular. Then opacity is 60% and the auto layout them and the gap is 24 between the logo. Okay, this is fine. Now we will add a button on this box. So let me add a button. Just duplicate the font and press Shift A for layout, and the margin is 2 and the top and bottom 14 and the wide is fixed 96. Now this is cool, and we add the corner radius and corner smoothing. Just change the text like subscribe. Margin is the similar like top right and bottom. Okay, now this is cool. Now we are gonna make a duplicate for this one and add a notification icon and add a drop down for this subscribe button and just fix it the spacing and the margin like 32 by 32 and the spacing like auto. This is good. Now we're gonna create a component for the subscribe drop down menu. When user click the drop down icon, they can see all notification, personalization, none. So we make these three and resize the font and icon, and the opacity is 50%. I hope this is good. Okay, so I just want to make a fill notification icon like this and customize the icon as a notification bell. Okay, so let's start to make it. Okay, and just drag and drop and add two more path on this icon vectors and delete the others point from this vector. I hope now this is good. Okay, fine. So I just create a component set for these two and make a one more component for after complete the subscribe, they just click all notification. Then this is looks like this one, third one. So we can add this one extra and we add a animation like when user click here, it show this on next one, and when they click all notification, this third one is show in the user viewpoint. Now we want to create another component set for these two, and interaction one click smart animation. Okay, fine, this is good. Now I hope everything is good. So now this is time for testing this prototype preview. Okay, when I click the subscribe, this pop-up is show, and when I click the drop down, this one is show. I hope this is good, and when all notification, this is fully changed. I hope this is very amazing. You enjoy this video and subscribe our channel for stay with us, and thank you for your time.